Hi friends, it's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber here, and I am so excited for this video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Christmas present from my husband. I put this on my Christmas wish list and had no idea that the box under the tree with my name on it was this Baby Lock Sashiko machine. And I was so excited when I ripped off that wrapping paper. I could not believe that it truly made it off my list and under the tree. And so I'm going to unbox it, show you what's inside, tell you a little bit about the machine. I haven't actually had a chance to play on the machine yet because it's still all wrapped up in the box, but that will be how I spend my rest of today and probably a couple more days enjoying this new machine. My puppy Ahsoka is also here. Come here. She's gonna come say hi. Hey girl. Hey girl. And she might be helping me with the unboxing as well. You're a good girl. Okay, so I have my non-sewing scissors, of course, that I'm going to very carefully, and it says don't open with a sharp instrument, so I'm actually going to put the blade parallel to the box so that I'm not stabbing into the box, because I don't know exactly how this is packed on the inside, and I want to make sure that I don't do any damage to my machine, especially before I even had a chance to play with it. Okay. So, opening it up. So there is a registration, read me first. This is a warranty registration card. We'll put that aside. My husband did put all of the documents for the machine right here on the box so that I have those and I can put those in a binder. This is the brochure of the different Baby Lock machines, and this machine is going to join my family of Baby Lock machines. I have a Jubilant named Saturday and an Aria named Sunday, because I like to say that I only quilt on Saturdays and Sundays. So this new machine is going to need a name, and I have an idea for the name of this machine. Koala cabinets brochure, the Sashiko guide and reference manual. I've heard it pronounced Sashiko and Sashiko, so I've heard it pronounced both ways. I'm not sure if there's one that is more correct than the other. I have watched a couple other videos here on YouTube showing me how the machine works and how to thread it. The Sashiko machine is special because it only uses one thread. So a traditional machine has a top thread and a bobbin thread. This one only has bobbin thread. So that's definitely special. There's a quick reference guide, which I think will be handy to have, especially if I don't use this machine all the time, so I'm not as used to how to thread it. I've got my power cord, and I've got my foot pedal, and those are all really standard. I'll set these aside over here. And then I have a bunch of styrofoam. Alrighty. I can reach through the styrofoam and grab the handle, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Ooh! Lots and lots of static. Let me put this up on the table so you can see. Styrofoam is off. I love that she has a nice big throat. This is not quite as big as my Aria, but it is bigger than my Jubilant. There's already some test stitches here on a little piece of fabric so that I can see what those stitches look like and that she stitches beautifully. There are all the different bits and bobs for the top, which is for filling up the bobbin. And this sideways. So there's just two levers right here. One is for the length of the stitch, and one is for the length of the spacing between the stitches, because the Sashiko machine makes a stitch that looks like hand stitching on the top and more like traditional stitching on the bottom. So this open here, that's how we thread it. Now I know there should be tools and whatnot. I see tape over here. And by tools and whatnot, I mean like extra bobbins and no, I don't think a needle threader, because this doesn't get threaded the way a typical machine gets threaded. So let's see if that's this down here. Oh, yep. I just slid it forward, and that's where all my little who's-its and what's-its are. There's a little brush for keeping everything nice and clean. There is a screwdriver for unscrewing things, I suppose. Some tweezers. There is an awl, some thread caps, some extra bobbins, some extra needles, and some screws, which I imagine go on the two holes right here, which will allow me to do any attachments, because I know that there's attachments as well. And then there's this bar, which when you're straight line quilting, allows you to keep your straight lines evenly spaced. So it's that simple. That is the unboxing of the Baby Lock Sashiko machine. She is gorgeous, and I'm so excited to play with her. Let me put all these tools back in here and slide this right back in. There we go. Perfect. Oh, that fits so beautifully. I can't wait to play with her and show you all the things that I make. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because I will be sharing some things with my Sashiko machine, but I will also be sharing all kinds of other quilting projects, and you don't want to miss them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you right here real soon. Oh, and in case you thought I forgot, she is getting a name. I have my Jubilant named Saturday, my Aria named Sunday, and now I quilt on Saturdays and Sundays and days that end in Y. So this machine, my new Sashiko machine, her name is Days That End in Y.